What if the most dangerous gap in AI today isn't in the models, but in the people using them? We've democratized access to world-class AI. Anyone can prompt, deploy, or embed a model. But without technical literacy, that power becomes perilous. Misapplied AI isn't just inefficient, it's actively harmful. Biased hiring tools, hallucinated legal briefs, flawed medical triage, security vulnerabilities hidden in custom agents. The bottleneck is no longer compute or data, it's understanding. This isn't about coding fluency for everyone. It's about foundational technical intuition, knowing enough to ask the right questions. Like understanding that an LLM doesn't know facts, it predicts plausible text. That fine-tuning isn't magic, it's pattern amplification, including biases. That AI accuracy is often measured on narrow benchmarks, not messy reality. Without this, users treat AI like an oracle, trusting outputs they can't interrogate. We see the consequences everywhere. Marketers deploy AI chatbots that confidently give wrong product specs, eroding trust. Executives greenlight AI solutions without understanding data dependencies, leading to costly failures. Policymakers regulate based on sci-fi scenarios, missing real harms like feedback loop bias in loan approvals. The irony? As tools get easier, the need for literacy grows. No-code platforms let non-engineers build AI workflows. But if they don't grasp concepts like latency, hallucination risk, data drift, or prompt injection, those workflows become time bombs. A beautifully designed agent that scrapes user data insecurely or leaks PII isn't innovation, it's liability. So what does technical intuition look like in practice? Knowing when AI is the right tool and when a simple rule-based system suffices. Understanding the difference between training data and ground truth. Recognizing that 95% accuracy means little without context, 95% on balanced data, or 95% on a majority class while failing minorities. Asking, how was this evaluated? On what data? What are the failure modes? Realizing that AI doesn't decide, it recommends, and humans must own the final judgment. The good news? This literacy is teachable and scalable. It doesn't require a CS degree. It requires curriculum shifts, embedding AI literacy in business, law, healthcare, and design programs, not just engineering. Better tooling. AI platforms that explain why an output was generated, highlight confidence levels, and flag potential risks in plain language. Culture change. Rewarding teams that document assumptions, run red team tests, and share failure postmortems. Companies investing in this, like Adobe with its AI literacy for creatives, program, or Mayo Clinic's clinician AI collaboration training, are seeing fewer errors, faster adoption, and more innovative responsible use. The future belongs not to those with the most powerful models, but to those with the deepest understanding of their limits, biases, and responsibilities. Technical expertise isn't about writing code anymore. It's about thinking critically in a world of intelligent systems, and that's a missing piece we must urgently restore. If you found this critical perspective valuable, cutting through hype to the real challenge ahead, please like this video, share it with an educator, leader, or builder shaping AI's future, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest on ethical AI, responsible innovation, and the human skills that will define the next era. Let's build wisely, together.